Hello and welcome to this B2 Post-Intermediate Lesson 8 with me, Kate. Today our lesson is focused on remembering and forgetting. We're going to learn some useful phrases and collocations related to memory, including the words remember, remind, forget, recognise. These words and the phrases related to them are often used in everyday English, and by the end of the lesson you'll be able to use them too. So collocations are common word combinations that sound natural to native speakers. Listen to these. Remember to do something. Remember meeting someone. Remember when something happened. Remind someone to do something. Remind someone about a message. Forget to do something. Forget a birthday. Forget a message. Recognise someone's face. Recognise a painting. Recognise a piece of music. Okay, let's focus on the verb remember. This verb relates to memory. I'm going to show you some phrases. Which phrase does not follow the verb? So we need to cross out the phrase which doesn't follow each verb. Remember. Remember meeting someone for the first time. Remember when something happened. Remember a person, a word, an appointment. Remember to phone someone. And remember someone to phone you. Which phrase doesn't follow the verb remember? Someone to phone you. We don't say, remember someone to phone you. Okay, now let's look at the verb remind. Which of these phrases doesn't follow the verb remind? Remind someone to phone you. Remind to do something. Remind someone about a message. Remind someone of another person. Which phrase doesn't follow the verb remind? To do something. We don't say remind to do something. Now let's look at the verb forget. Which phrase doesn't follow the verb forget? Forget that you do something. Forget to do something. Forget a birthday, a message, an appointment. Forget of something. Forget about something. Which phrase doesn't follow the verb forget? Of something. We don't say forget of something. Now let's look at the verb recognise. Which of the phrases doesn't follow the verb recognise? Recognise someone or someone's face. Recognise to do something. Recognise a piece of music, painting. Which of the phrases doesn't follow the verb recognise? To do something. We don't say recognise to do something. Okay, now using that information, let's complete the questions with one word where necessary. Some of these questions don't need a word. If you need to, pause the video, read our 8 questions and restart when you're ready. Okay, are you ready? Number 1. Did anyone important forget your birthday this year? Did anyone important forget your birthday this year? Number 2. Who usually reminds you to do things? Who usually reminds you to do things? Number 3. Can you remember anything about when you were at nursery school? What can you remember? Can you remember anything about when you were at nursery school? What can you remember? Number 4. Have you forgotten to do anything important this week? Have you forgotten to do anything important this week? Number 5. Does anyone in your class remind you of someone famous? Does anyone in your class remind you of someone famous? Number 6. Do you usually recognise pop songs quickly? Do you usually recognise pop songs quickly? Number 7. Is there anyone you must remember to phone today? Is there anyone you must remember to phone today? And number 8. Have you ever seen anyone famous in the street? How did you recognise him or her? Have you ever seen anyone famous in the street? How did you recognise him or her? Okay, well done. Thanks very much. That's brilliant. A couple of questions for you. When did you last forget someone's birthday? Can you remember your first day of school? Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support. And coming next in lesson 9, we will be looking at comparatives and superlatives. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.